Alright, so now we're measuring out the cylinders. And then we're going to mess with these things over here.
I was walking in behind me. You again. Okay, this one's just over 1. Ooh, it's bigger down here. Fills up with that. This piston's made funny.
So, well then let's put these back and get the good ones.
This one's bigger down here. It's weird.
That's not good.
That's weird.
Yeah.
You picked it out, so it must be yours.
Nope. Where are the good ones?
No, you didn't pick it out, or no, it's not yours?
No, it's not mine.
Because you would have picked a good one, right?
Yep.
Okay, that was 226 and a half.
226 and a half.
$227. No, you're 227 and a half. 227 and a quarter.
227 and a quarter is what I need to remember.
Well, that's what this is at.
Okay.
Without any clearance. What size is this? Now, if you put your clearances onto this, you're going to have what number?
I don't know.
You're going to have a half. And you go 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
That'll be 5 3/4 what we're looking for.
5 3/4.
Now, if this goes through the cylinder, it's too big. Look at that. We got something to work with here. How much do we got to work with? Ooh, quite a bit. Good deal. Look, that's really good. Got a couple thou to play with in this thing. I wonder if that'll clean out with a couple thou though. Big battery down there. Where's the other one?
Other cylinder?
Yeah.
It's right here.
This must be the other piston.
We're using those pistons?
Don't shake very much.
Yeah.
You people don't like your shaking.
Why'd you hand it to me Why'd you hand it to me then?
Because I'm busy. Didn't know why you came in here to shake around.
I'm even shaking more because I ran out of my Vicodin.
You're out of your Vicodin.
When I'm on my 4 or 5 fucking Vicodins, I'm fucking still shaking.
What's this one? Ooh, look at this one. This one's huge. It's 2 1/4. Yeah, this one's better. This one's made better than that last one. So you better go find a better piston. That one sucks.
All right.
So where do you steal these from?
From the exact same spot all the other ones are at.
Oh. Okay.
So let's go get the good
You
ones.
mean over on the shelf?
Yep. Over on the shelf by that one box.
By the box he marked.
Yeah.
That's marked bad?
Yep. It's marked basura.
Alright, go find me another piston.
Well, are we using these ones or are we using the other ones?
I'm not using that one.
Well, obviously.
So go find me another one.